Thoughts ko, oh my God, kailangan ko magpapayat. Kasi parang mukhang babalik na ako sa industriya, parang kailangan ko magpapayat. So, yun ang una ko nakita, pero kidding aside, matagal kong pinangarap to. During my time in FDCP, I would always support and really cheer for our actors in Filipino films all over the world. But minsan, especially if I watch something really, really special na ginagawa ng isang artista na actress, parang, kaya ko yan. May ganun ka eh, kasi artista ka pa rin, di ba? Pero, alam mo yon, I was playing a different role, and my role is to really support lahat ng actors natin na nire-represent yung bansa natin sa buong mundo. So, nakaka-surreal lang. It feels so surreal to see myself on screen and realize na parang, oh wow, ako yun, no? I'm really back. Parang ganon. So, nakaka-overwhelmed. And thank you, Direk. I'm so lucky because Direk Louie is such a collaborative director. It's a joy to work with him. He trusts his actors, and ang natutuwa ko sa kanya, hinahayaan niyang gawin mo yung trabaho mo. Kasi nire-respeto niya yung pagiging artista mo. But at the same time, he knows what he wants. So pag may gusto siya na, Liza, ito yung gusto nating ma-achieve sa eksena ito. So, alam din niya kung ano yung limit, alam niya kung kailangan mong ibigay ng todo. And I love the freedom that I had with my co-actors because of Direk Louie. So, it's such a privilege talaga na yung unang-unang kong pelikula after my term in FDCP